How to reset Morgan Stanley bank password. Morgan Stanley is a global investment banking and financial services company that helps businesses, governments, and individuals with mergers, acquisitions, capital raising, wealth management, and trading. First, go to Morgan Stanley website. On this page, click on the option that says Client Login in the top right corner, then click on Morgan Stanley Online. Now to reset your password, you have to scroll down and click on the option that says Forgot Password. Then click on Morgan Stanley Online. Now once you land on this page, enter your username here and the last 4 digits of your social security number here. If you don't have a social security number, then click on this link. Now it will ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your passport. Once you enter both information, then click Continue, and you'll be directed to another page where they'll further guide you on how you can reset your password for your account. That's it. Thanks for watching.